Alaska 9820 Oshkosh Tower, good morning. Wind 180 at 11, runway 18 right, clear 2 lanes.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
Okay, we'll taxi off Puppet 2. Thank you for your help, Alaska 9820.
And that it was a perfect blue dot landing on runway 18 right at Oshkosh. Welcome to Oshkosh. Great job.
Oh, I feel so alive.
Oshkosh 9820, live runway hang, maintain 3000, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
Reach out to the sky.